So hey guys, here's the review of my Cristal 21 that I used previously, and it doesn't really, it's not that it's not good, but it's not as effective as other products that I've used. So the Cristal 21 actually was used, somebody has used it, the Brunei princess, yep, here she is, the Brunei princess. She actually used this product too. So a quick review. This is the Total Rose Cristal 21 Total Rose cleanser, and it's gel like also, but when you spread it on your hair, it doesn't really have the foam or cream like effect, and it's really thin, so it's not that nice. And I got the detox mask, which is really good, but you need to apply the cleanser before you can apply this, so you'll be more effective. And when I apply this, it's like a scrub. It actually detox mask actually go more deeper into your skin than the outer layer of your skin, because most masks they only get a thin layer of your skin, but detox mask will get much more deeper in your skin. So I think I'm gonna repurchase this because it's the only detox mask I can find in Watsons or supermarket. And I went to the facial spa, or the facial place in Chinatown, Singapore, and I got these products free. It's not open yet because I don't dare to use it, because the lady or the beautician told me that it's a really strong product. So it's not that big, it's like just a little down there. I didn't use this mask. I didn't use this product because I was scared it was too strong. It's a skin rebirth